Hi, it's me, Mrs. Squirrel. Welcome to Squirrel's Workshop. Today's a little different. So, I got sent in here for a tape measure. Because as you can see, by the way I'm dressed, we are doing yard work on the hottest day of the frickin' year. Because that's how we do. So we have a garden box that we are moving from the garden to a hillside on our property. And so in order to figure out where it's going to go so we can level out the spot, you know, all that fun stuff, the normal stuff you do, I was sent in here to get a tape measure so I can measure the box so I know how big to make the patch of grass. Well, there was a problem. So I came in here to find the tape measures because they usually sit right here or on the other side. Because, you know, tape measures have the tang thing. Well, as you can see, it's not there. Now it's a game of where did the squirrel hide his tools? So, just looking over here. Woodworking tools. You know, that would make sense. Check the chop saw. Nothing there. Came over here. Maybe he left it on his workbench. He's good at stuff like that when he's fabricating. I did not see it anywhere. Then we got over here. Look, squirrel has cleaned. Nothing there. Then I moved along this way because I'm like, you know, he does silly things and sets things in weird places if he was working on the car. Not there at all. And I even checked the front of the car and in the hood. Because he's odd like that. And you never know where the squirrel's going to put something. Hence why he usually has about a gazillion tape measures. So, I'll look down here. Because I know that's what he's been working on is the chassis table. And yard work. I didn't see it there either. Well, what happened was I literally went out the door, get my phone, so I could film this, and I walked back in. And when I walked... Yep. So if you ever feel stupid, don't worry. There's millions of other people who've done the exact same thing I've done. And that is all from Mrs. Squirrel. Hope you learned something.